Hi guys, Kevin here and welcome to a new short video. So unfortunately this is going to be a short one again. I will have some more tech reviews coming up very soon, so stay tuned for that. But this one's going to be over on my Rumble channel just so I can show an uncensored full video. Just like last time, I know a lot of you appreciate that, so there's no masking, no hiding what I say, no filters over the video. I can just show everything completely and how it should be. So I love that feeling. So I do love YouTube, I do love Rumble. They both have their own, perks. But that's definitely one of them for Rumble, is a full uncensored video of something that I can show. But this one is going to be a iptv. Can I say that? So a iptv reviews. So a lot of you guys are looking to cut the cable, especially since COVID, where sometimes times are tight. It's nice to just reduce some costs. And this is a really low cost option, I think. It's a great option. It's been around for over a year. So definitely check out my video and I'll have everything and more to say about it. So check that out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video on YouTube and on Rumble. Thanks, guys.